In this video, we've prepared Wipro HR, technical and testing interview questions for freshers and experienced candidates. These questions can be asked in many ways. Be ready to answer these interview questions. Name: Western India Palm Refined Oils Limited, Wipro Limited. Founded, 29th of December, 1945. Founder, M.H. Hashim Premji. Headquarters, Bangalore, India. Current Chairman, Rishad Premji, son of Azim Premji. CEO, Thierry Delaporte, 2020. HR interview questions for freshers. Tell me about yourself or introduce yourself. Tell me something about your projects, main project and mini project. Tell me about your interests and your hobbies. Tell me about strengths and weaknesses. Tell me about our company, Wipro. How do you handle stress? What is the most stressful moment? What are the future goals? Or what are the short-term and long-term goals? Why do you want to work in Wipro? Do you want to pursue higher education? Who is the CEO of Wipro? Who is the founder of Wipro? Why do you want this job? Why should I hire you? Or what are the expectations this job? Why did you choose this career? Tell us about the skills which are required for this position. What kind of a manager would you be? Are you a team player or team lead? Which was the favorite subject in engineering? Which is the last book that you read? What motivates you? Or what motivates you to join in Wipro? Tell me about your family background. How do you see your progress while working at Wipro? How can you contribute to this company? How will you react if you're working on a project and your colleague get appraisal not you? What are your future plans? Present, which programming language is best? What do you know about recent trends in IT industry? Can you work under pressure or client deadlines? Which areas helpful do you need to improve your skills? How many offers you have with you? Rate your communication skills and your interview. 1-10. How do you feel about working in night shifts and weekends? What strategy applies to handle main project? What qualities do you feel a successful manager should have? Where do you see yourself in next 5 years? Are you willing to relocate or travel? Or are you ready to relocate any location? What are your salary expectations? Or how much salary are you accept? Do you want to ask us something about company? Do you have any questions for us? HR interview questions for experienced. Tell me something about yourself. Tell me something about your previous project. Tell me something about your family background. Tell me about your interests and your hobbies. What do you know about Wipro? Tell me about your strengths and weaknesses. Why do you want to leave your current job? What is your greatest achievement? Did you face any problem in your last job? What are some qualities that you would like to see in your boss? Previous job. Are you comfortable working night shifts and weekends? Can you work under pressure or client deadlines? Are you willing to relocate or travel? What are your salary expectations? Do you have any questions for me? Technical interview question. What programming languages do you know? What is software engineer? What is engineering? What is cloud computing? What is Internet of Things? What is VR technology? What is artificial intelligence? What is machine learning? What is big data? What is blockchain technology? What is operating system? What is scripting language? What is C language or Java? Why C is procedural language? What is platform independent? And example. What is the difference between C and C++? What is the difference between Java and C++? What is the difference between OOPS and C? What is the difference between primary key and unique key? What is multiprocessing and multitasking? What is priority task? Can you explain memory management in C? How would you input data to your code? Is null a keyword? Is sysioff a keyword? What are storage classes? What is a job queue? What is the value of b? A6, b equals ++ a plus a. What is volatile in C programming? What is class? What is object? What is stack? What is queue? What is indexing? What is thread? What is multithreading? What is macros? What is the difference between an interface and an abstract class? What is the difference between call by value and call by reference? What is the difference between printf and scanf? What is the difference between a constructor and a method in C++? What is spanning tree? What is btree? What is data structure? What is perfect number? To print hello world without using semicolon in C language. What are different operators that can't be overloaded? What is stored procedure? What is OOPS? What are the OOPS concepts? What is interface? What is encapsulation? What is polymorphism? What is overloading? What is overriding? What virtual function? What is friend function? What is normalization? What is synchronization? What is hashing? What is abstraction? What is event loop? What is composition in OOPS? What is exception handling in OOPS? What is C++? What is virtual function in C++? What is binding in C++? What is polymorphism in C++? What is nutshell in C++? What are character constants in C++? What are streams in C++? What are tokens in C++? What is garbage collection? What is linked list? What is cache? What is database? What is DBMS? What is binary search tree? What is pointer? What are constructor and destructor? What kinds of pointer? What is database? What is SQL? What is SQL profiler? What is table? What are assertions? What is tile slicing? What is SQL query? Explain SQL query joins. What is NoSQL? What is difference between SQL and NoSQL? Write a example of REST API. Write a program to finding factorial of a number. Write a program to add two strings without utilizing plus operator. Write a program to print first 10 Fibonacci series. Write a program to find sum of first largest k elements from an array of integers. Write a program to print the prime number up to 13. Write a program based on frequency sorting methods. Write an algorithm for selection sort. Write a program to sort the string by using bubble sort. Java question. What is Java? Java is dependent or independent? Why? What is JVM? What is JRE? What is JDK? What is the difference between JDK and JVM? What is the difference between C and Java? What is the difference between C++ and Java? What is the difference between pointer and object in Java? What is runtime error? What are collections in Java? What is the collection API? How to provide security in Java? What is reverse of a string in Java? What is use of observe and observable in Java? What are the OOPS concepts in Java? What is the difference between stack memory and heap memory in Java? What is thread lock? What is class? What is object? What is vector class? What is list interface? What is native method? What is clipping? What is task priority? What are runtime exceptions? Can you explain memory management in Java? What is the cache rule for method declarations? What is the difference between sleep and wait method? What is the difference between pop by value and pass by reference? What is the difference between methods overloading and overriding in Java? What is default layout? What is senredirect? What is variable? What is string pooling? What is transient variable? Why hibernate? What is JDBC? What is the difference between Hibernate and JDBC in Java? What is the difference between hard code and soft code? What is servlet? What is three-tier model? Write an actual singleton Java class? Does Java support multiple inheritances? Can you define syntax error and semantic errors? Testing interview questions. What is testing? What is software testing? What is SDLC? Want a software engineering? What is Selenium testing? What is functional testing? What is QTP? What is QA? What is SQA? What kinds of testing have you done? What is your most used framework? And framework types? What is difference between quality assurance, QA, and software testing? What is the difference between automation testing and manual testing? What is the difference between QTP and Selenium? What is the difference between regression testing and retesting? What is the difference between IT and Netscape and web testing? What is the difference between close and quiet and Selenium testing? What is the difference between white box testing and black box testing? What is the difference between page type and page object? What is the difference between alpha testing and beta testing? Write a Selenium code without using Firefox browser? Write a Selenium code add to cart? What are the test cases? What is Selenium WebDriver? What is TestNG? What is included and excluded in TestNG? What is an annotation in TestNG? Explain page object model? How to use annotations using Selenium. How to handle alert pop-up. What is JUnit? Why? What are the different types of SPIF? What are the different types of exceptions in Selenium? How to use Windows-based pop-up in Selenium. Explain Selenium lifecycle. What is unit testing? What is API testing? What are error codes in API testing? What is ad hoc testing? What is SDLC lifecycle? What are the different stages in testing lifecycle? What is metrics? What is assertion? What is test plan? What are case tools? What is SSL certificate? What is driver? Quit? Write in Spyth for radio button and checkbox. What is vModel? What is the role of test build manager? Like, share and comment. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Click the bell button for latest updates.